Okay, this is a rainy day at Lake Carroll. Wow, listen to that lightning and thunder. It's raining outside. Oh, let's see what's going on inside. Jack, you're watching Cars. My gosh, you've seen Cars like 100 times up here. I've watched it with you 10 or 15 times.
But it's good.
Yeah? Well, why don't we play a game?
Okay.
Let's play hide and seek. All right?
Okay.
Sound all right? All right. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to count to 10 and you run and hide, all right? I'm going to close my eyes. All right, ready?
Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here I come. All right. This can't be too difficult. I mean, this house isn't so big or anything. So, all right. I'm going to try the bedroom first. Might as well. I'm right here. Still raining outside. Let's see. I could have gone outside. Let's see. Whew, still looks nasty out. Let's see. Okay. On there looks too dark anyway. We wouldn't go on there. Yeah, let's see. All right. Okay. Let's see. All right. Bedroom's clear. Okay. All right. Not the bedroom, but let's see. As long as I'm here, might as well try the bathroom. Okay. Oh, look beautiful. All right. I mean, really, how hard can this be? I mean, it's a little tiny house. I know where he is. I know where he is. Ha! Oh no. No. That's not him. No. Nope. All right. Let's try somewhere else. Woo! Lightning. Woo! Raining. All right. Well, I can't imagine there's any place to hide in here, but I'll check since I have time. Check where's the light. Okay. Oops, wrong one. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Clear. Well, there's obviously no place to hide in here, so. Okay. All right. Next stop. Where could he be? All right. Let's see. Where should I go? I think, is it possible he's in the backyard? Oh, I don't know. Let me try the kitchen. Okay, kitchen. Let's see. No, I don't. Well, I better check. No. Sink. No, even though the thing doesn't work anymore. Thing in the sink, you know. No, not here. Oh, I know. No, not then. No. Oh! No. Okay, let's see. Alright, so golly. Where? I don't know. Oh, I must have gone downstairs. Of course he went downstairs. Okay. Alright, downstairs. Okay, well, he's got to be downstairs. I can't imagine where else he might be. Maybe I should have chosen another game. Oh my. Looks like a child dissolved here. Alright, well there's this fishing stuff. Can't be far from that. Let's see. There's a room on the other side. There's outside. Gosh, it's still raining out. Ooh. Well, I guess this occupied us a while. Alright, well, let's try the bathroom. Alright, well, it's gotta be the bathroom. Unless he went outside. I don't know. The toilet's running. Gosh, maybe he was just here and he used the bathroom. Let's see. No, nothing. Nothing! Darn it! This game is really lasting a long time. Alright, well, let me check out the dorm room. Ooh, it looks nice and neat. No kid. Now, he's very good at this. No. Let's look under there. No. Ooh, trick camera. Is he under there? Oh, nope, can't see him. No, I know. I got it. Okay, ready or not, here I come. No. This games, that kid is good. He's so good. All right, keep going. Whew, man. This game is lasting way too long. Whew. You know, I think maybe a glass of wine. A glass of wine would be good. That will help me look. All right. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Oh, door's open. Left the door open. Oh, what's that? Oh, more rain. Ooh, yeah, we're getting some rain again. I know he's gonna lose this race. I better get a tissue.
As good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut. Now get back out there.
Jeez, it's getting late. Oh my goodness. Ugh, I don't know where he is. But you know, the dogs disappear for, an hour or so. They always show up. They find their way home. Amy's not coming till tomorrow afternoon, so I'm sure he'll show up. Oh, I'm so tired. Taking care of kids is hard. All right, time for bed.
Ah! You are very bad at hide and seek.